Marky Mark's Woodshop 101. Clamps. Well, there's C-clamps, there's corner clamps, there's some one-handed quick bar clamps, and coming around, there are some edge clamps. They've got little doodads in there to hold your edge banding on. And there's some more positive edge clamps. A full array of spring clamps, including some ratcheting ones, some F-type bar clamps, some miniature bar clamps, and some more spring clamps, and some more bar clamps, easy hold 2s, Jorgensen Scott. I wish they still made those. And zipping further around the shop, there are some pipe clamps, and behind me, zoom, is some more pipe clamps. And I forgot to show you where we started from. There's a box of deep throat pipe clamp ends, real heavy duty things. They're on eBay at the moment. But as you can see, there's no shortage of clamps. Now, any woodworker will tell you there's never enough clamps. So, even though there's a million clamps here, there's never enough. So I got the idea how to solve that problem. When elected, I, by executive order, am going to mandate all libraries stock a full array of clamps that all woodworkers and anybody can check in and out and use them freely. Thank you very much.